Thank you so much for joining today. We're going to take a quick look at OpenMusic AI. It's a real easy platform to use, and we're going to show you exactly how easy it is. So let's dive right in. Which type of music would you like to use? What type of creativity would you like to explore? Which type of music video would you like to create? This is the platform, the very first page that you'll go to. Let's start with the AI music generator. The first thing over in the list, AI music generator. Here we go. Describe the music you want to create, generate. Let's say we want a meditation music, preparing for sleep. Instrumental only, because we don't want any words to go along with it. Let's see, genre, we can go over here. Blues, mood, joyous, emotional, sad, gentle. We want gentle. And instrument, I love the violin. You can choose whatever you like over here. It has several options, as you can see, all the way down the list: guitar, bass, trumpet, trombone, saxophone, and so on. I want the violin. The ambience, let's give some waves. And the vocal gender, we don't want any vocal gender, so we're going to leave that blank. Let's create. Simple as that. Music generation started successfully, as you can see here. While we're waiting, you can see all the other things that it has available. The AI lyrics generator, singing voice generator, cover song cover generator, AI music video, which is great. I put a video to one of the songs. Now look how easy that was. Tide Along. That is the title of the blues tinged gentle meditation music with a slow swing. The rendering has stopped for this one. Let's take a listen. Let's listen to what this is. As you can see, it's 3 minutes long for a meditation for a gentle night's sleep. Let's hear it. So whether you're looking to create content just for yourself, for your meditation, for a good night's sleep, just share with your friends and family. Whether you want to create a song with lyrics that says happy birthday to a special friend or a particular person, maybe a child, grandparent, any loved one, or whether you're creating it for some amazing content creation that you want to put out for your friends. OpenMusic AI.